Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ghaneva channel where it is about personal development, mini importation and lifestyle. So today we are going to know the step-by-step guide on how we can order from 1688. So this is the price of the item that we are going to buy on today's episode for a client here. So these are comments of the items. You have to check the comment before you can buy on 1688. So when I translate it, these are what the screenshot of the comment is. Now this is the number of years that the company was established, and this too is the number of employees. When I translate it, these are what it also means, so you can just take a look at that. Now these are things that you can also find on the store. So if you want to buy anything else, you check the store and you buy from the same departmental store. So let's get in on ordering our things, where I've ticked in green. Click on buy now. Then we will choose the number of items that we want to buy. So when you check on this one, you see 16.7 yuan at the top, and it starts from 1 with that arrow. So we will add 1 and we will buy this particular board. And this is the price of the item. This is the freight cost of the item. Now let's select buy now. Yeah, so you can see my shipping address right here. But before we buy it, we will add some notes so that the supplier would do as we recommended them to do for us. So we will tell them to write our shipping mark. Our shipping mark is our identity. So shipping mark is your name, your contact, and sometimes where you are buying the things from. So we will add something like please don't forget to send me a picture of my package, and write my shipping mark on the outer package. And don't package my item bigger, because I think last time ago a supplier packaged just a watch in a very big box, and that cost me higher shipping fees. So in this case, I'm telling this supplier not to package my things bigger. So we've added all the notes with Microsoft Suite keyboard. If you want to know how to translate or type from English to Chinese, I have a lot of videos on this channel. You can check the description box for the videos as well. So let's get in. These are the total amount of items that we are going to buy. That's 20.2 yuan. We click on submit order and we wait for what we need to pay. So in this case, you can pay with either your debit card, that's your Mastercard, Visa card, or you can also pay with Alipay, or you can pay after you've ordered it. So this is like pay later. So we are using the Alipay now because I have some yuan in my Alipay account. So this is it that it is loading. Yeah, so we are paying this. We would click here where I've circled in green. So I'm currently typing my password for my Alipay to confirm the transaction. Yes, and here it is. Just like your Momo pin, just like your bank account pin, in this case too, you need Alipay pin as well, and this confirms that the transaction was successful. Now this is all the steps involved in buying or ordering something on 1688 app with your debit card or with your Alipay account. So in this case, if you want to know how to translate Chinese supplier's contact name into English names, then please do what, let me know in the comment section so that I'll make a full video on that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.